Ever dreamed of flying? The freedom to glide effortlessly through the air? To see the world from a perspective so few ever experience? It's a dream as old as humanity itself. New York City makes you feel that dream. Its skyline, a masterpiece of human ambition, stretches endlessly, inviting you to explore its heights. Imagine soaring above the city, a drone your eyes. Buildings become canyons, their glass facades reflecting the golden hues of the sun. The city below, a labyrinth of life, pulses with energy. Streets transform into rivers of light flowing endlessly, connecting the city's vibrant neighborhoods. Each light tells a story, a journey, a destination. This is New York, raw and real, from a whole new angle. A city that never sleeps, its heartbeat felt even from the skies. The air buzzes with energy, even up here. Below, the city hums, a symphony of life. The honks, the chatter, the footsteps, they all blend into a rhythm uniquely New York. Yellow cabs dart like fireflies, weaving through the streets with purpose. They are the lifeblood of the city's movement, a constant in its ever-changing landscape. People look like ants, busy with their lives, each one a part of the city's grand story. From above, their movements seem choreographed, a dance of humanity. But from above, there's a strange peace. It's beautiful chaos, a harmony that only reveals itself when you take a step back, or a flight up. This is New York, seen through a bird's eye. Central Park is an emerald oasis in a concrete jungle. From above, it's a green heart beating in the city's chest. Trees explode in a riot of colors. Tiny figures stroll along winding paths. The city's noise fades away. Up here, it's just the wind whispering through leaves. It's a reminder that nature thrives even amidst the urban sprawl, a testament to the city's soul. The Statue of Liberty stands tall, a beacon of hope. From above, she's even more impressive. Her torch pierces the sky, a symbol of freedom for all to see. Ferries look like toys crisscrossing the harbor. The city skyline stretches out beyond, a testament to human ambition. Lady Liberty watches it all, a silent guardian of dreams. The Brooklyn Bridge is a masterpiece of engineering. From above, it's like a delicate spiderweb spun across the East River. Cars and trucks crawl along its spine, tiny dots against the steel. The city lights twinkle, reflected in the water below. The bridge's elegance, its timeless design, just takes your breath away. It's such a powerful reminder of human ingenuity and the incredible power of connecting people. Up here, the world feels, well, different. The city stretches out endlessly, a maze of steel and glass kissed by the first light of day. It's a moment of stillness, a rare pause in a city that never truly sleeps. From this height, the chaos below seems almost poetic, like a living, breathing organism preparing for another day. The city's frenetic pace just melts away. Central Park, a green oasis amidst the concrete jungle, feels like a sanctuary. The riverside whispers serenity, a stark contrast to the bustling streets just blocks away. It's a reminder that even in the busiest places, peace can be found if you know where to look. The noise fades into this gentle hum. The distant sounds of traffic and life below blend into a rhythm, almost like a heartbeat. It's a soundscape that tells the story of a city alive with dreams, struggles, and endless possibilities. It's like a fresh perspective, a chance to breathe. The bridges, connecting boroughs and lives, stand as silent witnesses to countless stories. The waterfront, calm and reflective, offers a moment to pause and take it all in. A rare gift in a city that moves so fast. But look down, and the energy returns. The streets are alive with movement, pedestrians weaving through traffic, the hum of conversations, the rhythm of footsteps. Times Square, a beacon of light and sound, pulses with an energy that's impossible to ignore. The city pulses with life, a symphony of sound and movement. As night falls, the streets transform, illuminated by neon lights and the glow of passing cars. It's a different kind of magic, one that speaks to the city's unyielding spirit and its ability to reinvent itself with every passing hour. It's a striking reminder of the human spirit's resilience and drive. From the construction workers building the city's future to the market vendors keeping traditions alive, every corner of this metropolis tells a story of determination and hope. Two worlds coexisting, all seen from a single vantage point. The chaos and the calm, the noise and the silence, they're not opposites but parts of a whole. Together, they create the unique rhythm of New York City, a place where contrasts don't clash but harmonize. Seeing New York from above is, honestly, transformative. From this vantage point, the city feels alive in a way that's hard to describe. The endless rows of skyscrapers, the glimmer of sunlight reflecting off glass windows, and the sheer scale of it all. It's breathtaking. It's this incredible reminder of the city's grandeur, its beauty, and yeah, even its chaos. The streets below, bustling with life, tell a story of ambition, dreams, and resilience. Every corner, every landmark holds a piece of history, a fragment of countless lives intertwined. And yet amidst the towering buildings and crowded avenues, there are hidden gems, rooftop gardens, quiet courtyards, and serene spaces that offer a moment of peace. It's a reminder that there's always more to see, more to experience if you just take the time to look. So, next time you're in New York, don't forget to look up. The towering skyscrapers reaching for the sky are a testament to human ingenuity and ambition. They inspire awe and remind us of what's possible when creativity meets determination. Imagine yourself soaring above the city like a drone's eye view. From this perspective, the city transforms into a living, breathing work of art. Central Park becomes a lush oasis amidst the concrete jungle, and the Brooklyn Bridge stands as a symbol of connection and progress. You might just discover a whole new perspective, a fresh appreciation for this truly incredible place. New York isn't just a city. It's an experience, a feeling, a story waiting to be told. And sometimes all it takes is a change in perspective to see it in a whole new light.